Good day, cruisers, salutations and welcome back. We look to move on with a further 3 new major stories in our popular cruise news updates from cruisehive.com. Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas will officially homeport in Galveston in Texas, starting August the 16th, 2027. Now, after debuting in January last year and sailing from Port Miami, the world's largest cruise ship is charting a new course to the Lone Star State. Icon of the Seas will offer 6 to 8 night Caribbean itineraries, visiting Costa Maya, Roatan, Cozumel, and even Perfect Day at Coco Cay. This marks the first time an Icon-class ship will call Texas home, a major milestone for both Royal Caribbean and Galveston's growing cruise scene. Royal Caribbean just dropped a wild offer for folks booked on the Allure of the Seas Thanksgiving sailing out of Fort Lauderdale on November 22nd. This 8-night Eastern Caribbean trip got a little too popular, and guess what? Yes, it's oversold. Now, to fix the crowding, Royal Caribbean's offering 2 juicy deals. Switch to a cosy interior cabin and get your entire cruise fare refunded, or cancel and score a full refund plus a 50% future cruise credit for any trip before November 22nd next year. They'll even cover your non-refundable flights or hotels. But hurry, guests got to fill out that survey by November 17th and winners find out on November the 18th. Honestly, cruisers, I take that free cruise in a heartbeat. Royal Caribbean just raised laundry prices across its ships starting November the 10th. The classic wash and fold laundry special, you know, the one where you can cram every sock, t-shirt and swimsuit into that tiny paper bag, is now $39.99, up from $34.99. Guests on Oasis of the Seas and Odyssey of the Seas spotted that change first, and it's the first price hike in about 5 years. The service still promises clean, folded clothes back in 24 hours, but delicate items, well, maybe skip those unless you want a surprise texture change. And remember, no irons, no steamers, no DIY laundry on board. If you're planning a cruise soon, well, check Royal Caribbean's pre-cruise deals, as sometimes they slash laundry prices up to 40% off. Otherwise, it's either pay up or take your dirty laundry home. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.